MCQ chapter number 2, standard 10. These are very important questions. So we are starting from question number 1. As you can see the question, alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus ax minus b. We have to find alpha plus alpha beta. As you know the formula, alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. In this you can see that, see, this is your x and this is your coefficient of x. So you have to do negative of this. And what is the coefficient of x square? You can see here coefficient of x square is 1. So we get a by 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to a by 1. In the same way, alpha beta, constant term. You can see constant term is minus b. Coefficient of x square, again it is 1. So here you have to find alpha plus alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is a. Alpha minus alpha beta is minus b. So what we get? A minus b. So which is the correct option? You can see here option C is the correct answer. Now move on to question number 2. In this question we can see we have to find this. This is a perfect square. When it is a perfect square, see, this is your middle term. Middle term here you can see it is equal to 4. Middle term is 4. So to find the constant term in this, what you have to do? Half of 4. Do the half of 4 and then do its square. So 2 square is 4. So option D is the correct answer. What you have to do? You have to do the half of the middle term and then you have to do the square. So the correct option is 4. Now see next question. In this question we have to find value of alpha square plus beta square. So again it's the same type of question. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus coefficient of x upon x square. So this is your x, its coefficient is minus a. So we get minus of minus a. Coefficient of x square is 1. So when you change the sign, what you get? A. Now product of alpha beta, constant term. In this, what is constant term? It is minus b. Constant term is minus b and coefficient of x square is 1. So we get minus b. Alpha beta is minus b. Now as you know this formula, alpha square plus beta square, it is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. If you don't know how it comes, can comment and I will explain you how it comes. So again alpha plus beta, its square. Alpha plus beta, as we get, it is a. So a square minus 2 into alpha beta. The product of alpha beta is minus b. So we are getting a square negative negative positive, a square plus 2b. So what is the correct answer? In this, the correct answer is 2b. So option B is the correct answer, a square plus 2b. So this complete our third MCQ. Third MCQ means third important MCQ of this chapter. Now move on to fourth question. See here the students confused, see, the power of x is not in descending order. So first px, you have to arrange the term so that power of x is in descending order. So first term write minus 7x square, then 5x, then 3. Now you have to find sum of zeros. As you know the formula, sum of zeros, it is equal to minus b by a. So minus b. What is b in this? C. You have not to check from this. You have to check from this. So b is 5. So minus of 5. What is a? Minus 7. So minus minus, it become positive sign. So the answer will be 5 by 7. So correct option is C. This is one of more important question. Now last question of this series. In this sum, we have to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. See, when you take the LCM, what you get? Denominator alpha beta, numerator beta plus alpha. Now again the sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta is sum of zeros. Here alpha plus beta, what we get? As you know, it is equal to minus b by a. And what is b? B is 1. So minus 1. And what is a? A is 1. So it is minus of 1. Now next we have to find product alpha beta. It is c by a. Constant term upon coefficient of x square. What is c in this? As you can see, c is minus 1. And what is a? A is again 1. So we get minus 1. So what is the final answer? Alpha plus beta is minus 1. Alpha plus beta and beta plus alpha both are same by commutative property of addition. Now what is alpha beta? It is again minus 1. So what is the final answer in this? You can see minus 1 upon minus 1. It is equal to 1. So the correct option A is the correct answer. So this complete the 5 important question of chapter number 2, standard 10. Next video will be on important MCQ of chapter number 3. Don't miss that video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Till then, goodbye.